Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me, for you. Today let me introduce you the Bluetooth speakerphone. eMeet Luna computer speakers with microphone and enhanced noise reduction algorithm. Daisy chain is possible. The W Dongle USB speakerphone for home office, 360 degrees voice pickup, and it goes up to 8 people. And it's available in black and gray. Oh yay! New background noise reduction technology and speech enhancement. The eMeet Luna Bluetooth speakerphone features exclusive updated VoiceIA technology. Artificial intelligence in this crystal clear clarity eMeet Luna by eMeet. Really awesome, really awesome. It's eliminating background noises such as air conditioning noise, keyboard clicks, and general background noise. With the outer vocal increase function, this USB conference speakerphone is able to identify the distance of the sound source, automatically adjust the sound volume to realize self-volume balance, and provide a smooth and clear call experience. The daisy chains is for up to 12 attendees with eMeet cascading cable. We are able to daisy chain the Luna USB speakerphones with another Luna speakerphones to expand the effective e-meeting space. The cascading functions makes the Luna conference microphones and speaker more flexible to easily work well for small meetings under 8 attendees, to medium and large meetings up to 12 or more participants. But note, the daisy chain cable needs to purchase separately, of course. Because you have one crystal clear clarity eMeet Luna here, this is enough for a standard office. But if you need more, you will need the daisy chain cable. You have multi-microphone array and 360 degrees pickup. 3 microphone arrays equipped with self-developed VoiceIA algorithm technology to realize 360 degrees free pickup, and the maximum volume of the speakers was increased to 89 decibel. This making the Luna Bluetooth conference speaker easy to apply for large conference room. This conference microphone and speaker was made to be full duplex, ensuring our remote conference call. This will not be interrupted and help us enjoy smooth calling experience. And it's possible with various connections mode and strong compatibility. USB, Bluetooth, aux, dongle connection are all our choices to connect the Luna conference speaker with our devices. With the dongle, the Luna speakerphone can be paired automatically personal computers and solve the problem of the Bluetooth compatibility of personal computers to ensure the stable connection. No drivers needed. Plug and play with that dongle. It is also compatible with various platforms, including Zoom, Skype for Business, WebEx, etc. No matter Windows or Mac could be easily connected. And its stylish and intimate design. The eMeet Luna speaker adopted advanced sandplastic process, making full metal and matte color shell to that Luna's Bluetooth speakerphone could more integrate with our office design, or of course our home office. The dongle slot and portable design allows us to carry the Luna USB speakerphones all around and hold a meeting anywhere we want without losing the dongle. Whenever we are in the office, at home, or on a business trip, the Luna speakerphones helps us fulfill a smooth calling. eMeet concentrate on teleconferencing. That means these are the professional style of meetings. Why do people need an eMeet speakerphone during this period of home office? Although it originally developed and designed for use in conference scenarios, getting more people involved in the meeting room. As eMeet slogan says, make conference simple. In actual use, the eMeet conference speakerphone not only can be applied to the conference room of the office building, providing more people with high quality remote conference services, offering clear voice quality in noisy environments, like a coffee of the business district, but can also be a good solution for working at home. Sitting in front of the computer for a long time, want to stand up and move in the room during the meeting, but so afraid to miss the moment that you need to speak. Long-term wearing Bluetooth headsets leads to hearing fatigue. These professional speakerphones are always devoted to helping us realize long distance pickup and high quality calls. The eMeet speakerphones essential products for our home office. Daisy chain is possible, and you can use it to cascading up to 2 eMeet speakerphones, allowing up to 12 attendees in one room, for example, and universal compatibility with the commonly used calling surfaces out there. The eMeet Luna supports daisy chain with another Luna speakers to expand the office easily, really easy. And the universal compatibility is really awesome because the eMeet Luna is also high compatible with various platforms. And Zoom, Skype of Business, WebEx, GoToMeeting, Google Hangouts, FaceTime, and so on. No matter Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Mac OS operation system, it could be easily connected to the Luna. The dongle slot helps to keep the dongle. This is underneath the device. And we have non-slip rubber foot padded design. We have a Type-C interface and a portable size. And it's ideal for home office. This is the compliments for our home office. Calling with Luna makes us feel our business partner is by our side although we are working at home. Based on the previous models, the Luna not only upgraded its algorithm to provide better call quality, but also supports daisy chain, allowing more participants at the same time. Luna will be our first choice for business gifts. And we have a button display easily. The powerful function keys offers us the best calling experience. Okay, if we are looking on the device, on the left side, we have the noise reduction on, off. We have under there is an answer and end call button. Then we have a volume up and a volume down button on the opposite side. We have a mic mute and unmute. We have a Bluetooth button for Bluetooth enable and disabling, a power on button or off, and an LED status indicator. And the LED status indicator will give us so much information. If our all 5 LED lights are turned red, that means the mic is mute. If all 5 LED lights flash green, that means it comes an incoming call when the Bluetooth is connected, or Skype for Business incoming call with USB is connected. If we have the LED spots turns cyan, that is the volume display. If all LEDs flash red, the battery is low display. And if we have a green light in the center and it turns green, that means USB connection. We have turns yellow-green in the center of the LED, audio in connection, and it turns cyan in the center, audio out connection. So that means you have a bunch of options here. And you have an easy and structured, good information panel there. Of course, connection is possible. USB, aux, outer link. And we have a lock button and an aux in. That is all what we need. Multiple connection modes available. USB, Bluetooth, aux, dongle connection are all our choice to connect the eMeet Luna speakerphone with our devices. It comes with a dongle that can help meet the Bluetooth compatibility for all personal computers and ensure the stable Bluetooth connection. And the connecting aux out with the cascading cable can cascade another Luna speakerphone to expand the effective meeting space. You can use it in the office, remote meeting, at home, for online learning, if you have a moving office, or you are performing academic speech. These are all possibilities to use the Bluetooth speakerphone eMeet Luna. This is an updated version of it, and it's not so expensive. It's the really good enter to our home office in case of meetings by eMeet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.